All right, all done with that. Let me move that on out of the way. So you suspect you got a bad patch cable somewhere in between your modem and your computer or whatever, your router, wherever you need it. You can test it with one of these before you go through the trouble of making up another cable or getting another cable. So I'm going to show you how. It's real simple. These come apart, so you can do it at either end. So if I had the cable running throughout my house, you know, up through the attic and down into another bedroom or something, I could take this end to one end, put this end on the other, make sure to plug in the same cable and turn it on. But when you got the cable sitting right in front of you, you can just slide this in that groove and keep them together. And then you see on the ends, you got an RJ11 and an RJ45 connection. Your regular Cat5 or Cat5e, Cat6 is an RJ45. So you just plug in these two ends like so. Wait till you hear them click. So I got both ends of this whole cable in there, and then you just turn it on. So what it's going to do, there's 8 pins. There's 8 pins, and it's going to light up each one in sequential order. Now, if you watch, it skips number 6. So 1 right there. It didn't light up number 6. That means pin 6 on one of these ends is bad. So what I'm going to do is cut one off and change it and retest it. But, you know, I'm not just going to cut off both ends. But at the same time, I can show you how to make your own patch cable.